Well, ain't this the longest taxi I ever had to wait on? But let's get to it. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, we have another unboxing for you. Oh, thank you, Sheesh. Gave me a pair of crusty ass black socks. We have the Taxi 12s. Check that out, y'all. So, Taxi 12s. And you see those subtle yellow accents? That's why they call them the Taxi 12s. That and the fact that Jordan debuted in the 96-97 year, where he also wore a championship debuting in these. He also won the championship game in these. That's why they said it took him where he needed to be, like a taxi. The Taxi 12s, ladies and gentlemen. Very crispy. With the black and white, you see the mud guard has that reptilian lizard skin design to the leather. That's why I like these. The perfect winter shoe. And this is back when Jordan was in his older years, so he was going for more comfort. So these are one of the more comfortable Jordans. And yeah, especially for the winter with that mud guard. I love these. Just a little extra. Because a lot of Jordans you got to wear for certain seasons because of the materials that they use on them. And these right here, the thing about these is the laces are always going to get bad on the 12s before the shoe does. But the shoe lasts a lot longer. It always starts to bow out around here because of that lace and the material. But other than that, these shoes are always a classic, very durable. My first time having the Taxi 12s, I wanted them when I was younger, but I missed them. I bubbled back with the 13s though. But yeah, these are Taxi 12s. Real crispy, real fluffy, real comfortable. Real comfortable. Gotta admit that. I like them. There's a lot of detail to them. Some people don't like the reptilian mud guard. Yeah, these are dope as hell. Now I feel like I need a black and white shirt or black and white jacket or something to go with it. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit after I put it together.